Good morning, students. Sai Ram. Today we shall solve the activity question which is given at the end of this chapter. So create a database in the name friends record and also create a table named my friends with the following fields. The fields and data type are given below. Roll number, name, address, age, city and mobile. Similarly, create another table and define the following fields in it. The field names for the second table are roll number, percentage, grades and rank. After creating these two tables, set the roll number field for both the tables as primary key and enter 10 records of your friends in the table and solve the queries given below. The first query is students with the age below 13 with their names. And the second one is display those students residing in Chandigarh as well as Panchkula. The third query is display the student's name, display the name Manas. And the fourth one is display the student who is having the roll number 108 and so on. Now we shall do this activity practically. Now create a database which is already being created by me. Friends record. Click on open. You need to create two tables, my friends and table number 1. In my friends table, create the field name roll number, the data type as number, field name data type text, field name address data type text, field name age data type number, field name city data type text and field name mobile and data type as number. Now we shall create the second table. Field name roll number, data type as number, field name percentage, data type as number and field name grades, data type as text. Now set the primary key as roll number for both the tables. Open the table 1. Here also the primary key is set as roll number. Now close both the tables. We will enter 10 records. 10 records are already entered in my friends table. Similarly, enter 10 records in the next table, that is table 1. So here also 10 records are already entered. Now let us set the relationship between these two tables. Click on Create. Query Design. From the Show table, select both the tables. Click on Close. For both the tables, the primary key is roll number. Set the relationship. Now drag the field names and place it in Design Grid. Now we shall execute the first query. First query is display those students whose age is less than 13. Click on Run. The table will display the students whose age is less than 13. To execute the second query, go to View, click on Design View. That will take it to the query design window. Remove the previous query criteria. Write the second query criteria, which is those display students who are residing both in Chandigarh as well as Panchkula. Click on Run. The table will display those students who are residing both in Panchkula as well as Chandigarh. Now go to the query design window to execute the third query. Remove the existing criteria. The third query is display the record whose name is Manas. Here the table is displaying whose name is Manas. Go to the query design window once again. To execute the next query, next query is display the record whose roll number is 108. Click on run. The table is displaying whose roll number is 108. Go to the query design window. The next query is display records whose percentage is more than 70. The percentage field name is in second table, that is table 1. So drag the percentage field name and drop it in design grid. We need to write only greater than 70 and click on run. It is displaying only one record because we have not removed the previous criteria, which was 108, roll number 108. Remove the previous criteria and execute once again. Now the table is displaying the records who have scored more than 70%. Now close the query window. Don't save the query. Click on My Friends table. Go to the design view. Insert one more field name, date of birth, date underscore of underscore birth, and the data type should be date/time. The field properties, click on Format, click on down arrow key, select medium date. And go to show date picker and select never. Click on close, save it, double click My Friends table, start entering the records for date of birth. Now the records are entered for date of birth. Close the table, click on create, click on query design window, select My Friends table, close it, drag the field names and place it in design grid. The next query is display records whose birthday is going to be next month, that is February. Here month numbers are Jan is equal to 1, Feb is equal to 2 and so on. Click on Builder. Before that, place your cursor in front of criteria. Under the field name date of birth, click on Builder and start writing month of the field name date underscore of underscore birth and close the brackets is equal to the square brackets, enter the month number. The numbers can be 1 to 12. Date of birth is the field name here, so we have entered. Click on OK. Query comes in automatically. Now execute the query. Enter the number as 2 because February is 2. Click on OK. So the table is displaying whose birthday is in Feb. If you want to display for other months, you can type other month number also. Go to design view, click on run, type as 9 and click on OK. It is showing those records who is having birthday in September. Close the query. So children, this was a simple activity. Do this activity at home. With this, we come to the end of this chapter. Thank you.